out this way too.
Happy 4th of July, almost. What? I'm recording.
That was a pretty cool one. You know how far up that plane is? They could probably see tons of them.
Yeah.
When we lived in LA, you could see so many because we were up so high.
Yeah, I was wondering what it was like to see it from above.
Yeah. You know what it looks like?
What?
A bunch of dandelions after they were those little things that you didn't know was a dandelion. Yeah, a little bit.
You mean the one that I lit up on fire?
Yeah. You goofball.
Well, you don't want them spreading, do you?
Not really, but they do, and it doesn't bother me. I don't mind dandelions. I think they're pretty.
Nope.
When dandelions come out, it means it's spring. Woo!
Jesus.
That was awesome. Do that again.
Another one. Another one. Oh, come on. Really? They're playing Katy Perry?
Oh, why not? Firework, yeah.
True. I don't want to sing it.
I hate that song.
I mean, I hate it, but
It sticks in your head.
Yes. Is that it?
That's called a...
Is that it?
I don't think so.
I don't know.
No, they usually do a bunch at the end. This is probably the end.
Holy shit! I'm glad I kept recording.
I missed most of it. Press hard enough.
I didn't.
Yay!